Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 9. What, when, where, who, why, how. Let's learn English. How do we go to Washington, D.C.?
We'll go there by riding a plane and a cab.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is John. What are your names?
My name is Betty.
My name is Martin.
I am Matthew. What is that?
This is the Washington, D.C.
Why is this place important?
It is important because it is the nation's capital.
capital.
I'm hungry. Where is a nearby restaurant?
There is a food place on the far right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What, when, where, who, why, how.
Don't forget to use the words "by" when answering how. And because
when answering
why.
Practice speaking English. Say it. Repeat it.
What school do you go to?
I go to Fullerton Grade School.
What is your favorite food?
I like to eat burger.
When is your birthday?
I was born on June 24, 2005.
When will you go back to Japan?
I will go back to Japan on December.
Where do you stay?
I stay in California.
Where do you buy your food?
I buy them at Josh's grocery store.
Why are you in America?
I am in America because I want to study.
Why did you choose America to study?
I chose America to study because it has good schools.
How did you get in America?
I got here in America by applying for a student visa.
How did you find a good school in America?
I found a good school in America by searching in the internet. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Go get your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Circle the correct WH question word.
Number 1. Blank is your name.
Number 2. Blank is your favorite actor.
Number 3. Blank do you like?
Number 4. Blank is your birthday.
Number 5. Blank color is your new bag.
Number 6. Blank old are you?
Number 7. Blank will you come here?
Number 8. Blank are you crying?
Number 9. Blank are you going to Disneyland?
Number 10. Blank are you smiling and crying?
Here are the answers.
Number 1. What is your name?
Number 2. Who is your favorite actor?
Number 3. What do you like?
Number 4. When is your birthday?
Number 5. What color is your new bag?
Number 6. How old are you?
Number 7. When will you come here?
Number 8. Why are you crying?
Number 9. When are you going to Disneyland?
Number 10. Why are you smiling and crying? Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the word below that fits best.
Number 1. Blank are you going with?
Number 2. Blank is your birthday.
Number 3. Blank is your favorite food?
Number 4. Blank are you mad?
Number 5. Blank are we going there?
Here are the answers.
Number 1. Who are you going with?
Number 2. When is your birthday?
Number 3. What is your favorite food?
Number 4. Why are you mad?
Number 5. How are we going there?
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
Make questions using what, when, who, why, how.
Example. I saw someone.
Answer. Who did you see? Number 1. They wanted to see Annika.
Number 2. I got up at 8 o'clock.
Number 3. She paid $100.
Number 4. She didn't like the show.
Number 5. We had dinner.
Number 6. The meeting finished early.
Number 7. I ate an apple pie.
Number 8. I played tennis yesterday.
Number 9. They wrote a letter to Amanda.
Number 10. I didn't eat the chicken.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. They wanted to see Annika. Who did they want to see?
Number 2. I got up at 8 o'clock. When did you get up?
Number 3. She paid $100. How much did she pay?
Number 4. She didn't like the show. How was the show?
Number 5. We had dinner. What did you eat?
Number 6. The meeting finished early. When did the meeting finish?
Number 7. I ate an apple pie. What kind of pie did you eat?
Number 8. I played tennis yesterday. When did you play tennis?
Number 9. They wrote a letter to Amanda. Who did they write letter to?
Number 10. I didn't eat the chicken. Why didn't you eat the chicken?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.